Good morning, children. Now I am going to do science for you. I am going to take science for you. So, in the last class, I explained you about the sense organs. So, how many sense organs are there, and what are they, and how does it help us? First, I explained you about eyes. So, how to take care of our eyes when any dust falls inside. You must not rub, and you must wash the eyes with a clean water, and afterwards you must consult with a doctor. Okay, children. Next is ears. So, ears gives a sense of sound, and we must keep it carefully, and we must not put sharp things inside the ears. Now, children, next is nose. So, nose helps us to smell everything, and it is a essential organ of respiration. Now, children, so we can smell anything from our nose, and we breathe from our nose. Now, I am going to explain tongue. That is page number 91. So, what we can do with our tongue, children? So, there is a lesson, they are given some points here. Let us read that one. Today, there is something special in the midday meals in Ramesh school. There is paisa, lemon rice, chilli bonda, bitter gourd, gravy, etc. Which of these items do you like most? Why? So, in Ramesh school, they have prepared some meals, means lunch in the afternoon. So, what they have prepared means paisa, means kheer, lemon rice, chilli bonda, bitter gourd, gravy. So, which of them you like most, children? So, I think you like paisa and chilli bonda, I think. So, you taste that one and write, you must write the taste of these items, what it will taste. So, first one they are given payasa. So, how it will taste, children? So, it will taste sweet. So, it will be sweet, no, children. Next is lemon rice. So, if you eat lemon rice, it will become sour. So, next is bitter gourd gravy. So, if you eat bitter gourd means agalkai. So, it will be bitter, means kai. Next is chilli bonda. So, if you eat chilli bonda means menshinkai bonda. So, it will be spicy, means kara. No, children? So, with the help of our tongue, we can taste all this one. No, children? Next, how do you know the taste of these items? For what are the functions do you use your tongue? So, how do you know the taste, children? So, with the help of the tongue, we know the taste. So, still what functions do you use for the tongue? They are given here, know this. No? First point, tongues help to taste food items. So, what we are eating food items, the tongue will help us to taste. Next point is, tongue pushes the food items towards the teeth to chew. So, we will take that food and keep in our mouth, no? So, the tongue, it will push the food, whatever we will eat, towards the teeth for chewing. Next point is, tongue help us to speak. So, you all will speak, no, children? You will all talk, no? So, with the help of the tongue, we will talk. So, the tongue help us to speak, talk and all. Okay, children? So, they are given here, try to speak without using your tongue. So, without tongue, we can speak, children? No. Without tongue, we cannot speak or talk. Okay, children? So, in the next page, they are given some activity. There are a few sentences below. Read them carefully, correct the wrong sentence and write them. So, some wrong sentences are given, wrong words. We must correct that one and write correctly. First one. When we brush our teeth every day, we should not clean our tongue with our fingers. This will prevent emission of foul smell. So, daily you are brushing your teeth, no, children? So, while brushing your teeth, how you will clean the tongue? So, we will clean the tongue with our fingers. No, children? So, if we clean the tongue with our fingers, the bad smell, it will not be there. So, here they are given, we must not clean our tongue with our fingers. So that is wrong. So the correct sentence is, when we brush our teeth every day, we should clean our tongue with our fingers. So here they have given not, we should not. So for not, you put one circle and write the sentence correctly down. Next, second one. After taking food, we should not wash our mouth. This will help us to keep the tongue and teeth clean. So children, after eating your food, what you will do, children? You will wash your mouth, hands and all, no children? So if you wash your mouth, hands and all, it will keep our tongue and teeth clean. Here they are given we should not wash. So that is wrong. The correct sentence is, after taking food, we should wash our mouth. This will help us to keep the tongue and teeth clean. Okay, children? The correct answer is, after taking food, we should wash our mouth. This will help us to keep the tongue and teeth clean. Okay, children? Next, third one. We should eat food items which are too hot and too cold. This will help the tongue to taste it better. No, children? So, if it is too hot, can you eat, children? Or if it is too cold, can you eat, children? No. The correct answer is, we should not eat food items which are too hot and too cold. This will help the tongue to taste it better. So, here they are given we should eat too hot or too cold. No, that is wrong. We must not eat too hot or too cold. Okay, children? Next. If you keep sharp things in your mouth, tongue will not be wounded. So, for a sharp things means knife, pin or anything which is sharp. So, if you keep inside your mouth, what will happen, children? So, we will cut our mouth and tongue. No, children? So, they are given here, will not be wounded. So, that is wrong. The correct answer is, if you keep sharp things in your mouth, tongue will be wounded. So, inside the tongue, we will cut it and blood will come. So, we must not keep sharp things inside our tongue. Okay, children? Next is skin. About skin. Skin means charma. Let us read about skin now. Mummy, it is paining, cried Tara. Everyone around was surprised. Tara pointed at Asha and said that she had pinched her. Why did Tara experience pain when Asha pinched her? So here one girl called named Tara. She is playing with her friend and her parents are there and someone are there around her, around the children's. So this Tara is there, no? She is crying, Mummy, it is paining. So why she cried means that one Asha name, girl name, she pinched Tara in her hand. So for paining, she cried that it is paining. So how did she experience that it is paining? So with the help of the skin, we will experience that it is paining. Next, how will you know that the food served to you is hot or cold? So how do you know, children, it is so hot or it is too cold? So when we touch the food with our fingers or hand, we feel that it is hot or cold. No, children? So skin help us to feel that one. Next, blindfold your eyes and start touching the things that you come across. Will you be able to identify them? How will you be able to identify them? So here they are given some activity. So you close your eyes and you start touching what are there in your house, the items prepared. So how you will feel, children, whether it is hot or cold? So when you touch with your fingers, then you know that it is hot or cold. No, children? Next, know this. Our entire body is covered with skin. We feel hot, cold, softness and hardness of things when they come in contact with the skin. We also experience touch and pain. So our body, what is there in our body, it is so all filled, covered with the skin. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಯಲ್ಲಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಡಿನೂ ಚರ್ಮ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಟಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಒನ್, ವಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಹಾಟ್, cold, softness and hardness. So with the help of the skin we will feel all this one. And when we touch anything or knife or anything, when it cuts our fingers, so then with the help of the skin we will feel the pain. Okay children, next, how do you protect your skin children? So we protect our skin by keeping it clean. ನೀವು ಚರ್ಮನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು fill in the blanks with appropriate words. First one, we take bath and keep our body dash. So if you take bath, our body will be, it will be clean, CLEAN, clean. Second one, eating fruits and vegetables keep our skin dash. So in the dash you write healthy, HEALTHY, healthy. Third one, if you don't keep our skin clean, we may get dash disease. So if you are not taking bath and if you are not washing your skin, or if you are not keeping it clean, the skin, we will get skin disease. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಚರ್ಮನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಚರ್ಮದ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್, taking oil bath once in a while keep our skin dash. So in the dash you write healthy. So ವಾರಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸತಿ ನಾವು ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Fifth one, we experience dash when a blade or any sharp objects touch the skin. So when we touch the blade or any sharp things, so what we will feel? We will feel pain, PAIN, pain. Okay children, next, know this, ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin help us to see, hear, smell, taste and touch. So there are 5 sense organs. So these 5 organs are called sense organs. Okay children, so these 5 organs are called sense organs. Okay children, next, here they are given some activity. Observe the pictures, match them with suitable sense organs. So in the middle one boy picture is there. Around that they are given a radio, newspaper, one shirt, flower and eatables, some sweet or something. So you must match them. So this radio, with the help of the radio we can hear. Okay children, so the radio, with the help of the ears we can hear that radio. So newspaper, how you will read children? So with the help of the eyes we will read the newspaper. And some sweets, so with the help of the tongue, teeth and all we can eat that one. So here there is a flower. So how you will smell that one? So with the help of the nose we can smell that flower. Next this shirt, so with the help of the hand we will wear the shirt. Okay children, so I have written the lines, so you also see and write in your textbook. So afterwards, read the posters about the sense organs when you go to the hospital. So when you are visiting the hospital, they will keep some posters. So you must see that posters and you must read. Next, there are a few people who are not able to see and hear. They may need special facilities. Do not tease them, show compassion. So some people are there in our country, so they are not able to ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಕಿವಿನೂ ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? I think you could have understood this lesson. So, what are the 5 sense organs, children? So, the 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So, how can you smell, children? So, with the help of the nose, we can smell and we can breathe also. So, which help us to taste the food items, children? So, tongue help us to taste the food items. So, if anything falls inside our eyes, so what we must do, children? So, we must not rub our eyes. We must take water and clean it with the water, and we must consult a doctor. Okay, children? So, any doubt, children? I think you could have understood this lesson, and I am sending notes also. So please complete the notes neatly in your classwork. Okay children? Thank you.